applied for Indian Army. So when you come from a low income level group, there is a expectation, financial expectation from the kids that they have to start giving back. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಟೌನಿಂದ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾತಿ ಮತ ಆಮೇಲೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಾಂಬೆಲ್ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅದೊಂದು ಇದಿದೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ರಿಚ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೂರ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಪೂರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋದಾಗ, you're just establishing your career, you will be among the poorest. Maybe you're gonna,
but ಏನide accident ಏನು? Okay,
you won't believe, you like left Chitradurga, went to Bangalore, went to Bombay, and then God brought me back to Bangalore, sent me back to Chitradurga. So it was like always like that, and government department is like that.
Siktirada something, it's great and that.
Yeah. And why is she not happy with the money? Why is she not happy with the house?
Okay, understood. Got it. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಏನೋ.
Yeah. That's why I'm not happy. There is a lot of restlessness. I was an auto driver. As a third kid to my dad, ನನಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಕಾರಣ ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.